Okay, friends. So we are into the third part of how to read shop drawings or engineering drawings. In the first and second part, we have discussed about the basics of the engineering drawings, and in the second part, some lines, important lines used in engineering drawings. So in this video, we will continue with the remaining part of lines used in engineering drawing, most commonly used lines in engineering drawing. So welcome back to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies, and I am Vincent. So let us start. Now let us see the center lines. The center lines. Okay. Now these are the center lines. Here in the center of the hole, center line is given here. Here, this is the center line, and this is the center line. Okay, so the center line shows the center of a round or a cylindrical shape. Okay, a round or a cylindrical shape. The line is shown using a thin line with alternating long short dashes. Okay, alternating long short, a long dash and short dash. Each denotes the center line. Okay. Now let us see the dimension line. What are the dimension line? Now these are the dimension line. Dimension line indicates the dimensions or sizes of objects in engineering drawings. Okay, this and this. Okay, this one end arrow. Here is also other end arrow, and in between the dimension is given. Okay, so this is known as dimension lines. Indicates the dimension of the sizes, dimension or the sizes of the object in engineering drawing. They are represented by thin lines with arrowheads at the ends that are broken along their length to provide space, this space for the dimension figure, like this dimension figure. Okay, and this line is known as extension line. Means this dimension is extended up to this line. This line. These are known as extension line. This one and this one. Or here, this one or this one. This is dimension line. This is dimensional figure. And this is extension line. Okay, now let us see the cutting plane line. These are the cutting plane lines of an engineering drawing. Cutting plane lines are thick, broken, intermittent lines with small 90-degree arrowheads, like this. Okay, exactly this. These type of lines indicates when a section is imaginally cut in half to provide better information and details. Okay, you have to just, when you see the cutting plane lines like this, that means you will be able to see the inside portion. Okay, imaginally you will be able to see the inside portion of this object like this. Okay, here you can see a long hole. This is a hole of a shaft, this one. So this shows you have cut it imaginally, not actually. Cut into two halves, and you will be able to see the inside portion of it. So that is the purpose of cutting plane line. And the lines, these inclined lines, are known as section lines. Okay, these are known as section lines. The section lines are drawn at a 45-degree angle, like you can see here. 45-degree angle. They are also called hatch lines. As any sectional view, in any sectional view, section lines indicate the material has been cut through using a cutting plane line. Okay, in this. Okay, friends. So I will have to stop it here today, and the remaining part will be in the next upload. So we have covered visible line or object line, hidden line, center line, dimension line, extension line, and section lining. The remaining will be break lines, that is short break lines and long break lines, and a little bit about welding symbols in the shop drawings. All that is in the next. That's all for the time being. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.